3001 cm DI sound module. Note: first, magnetic sensors, light sensors, buttons sensors. Only one of them can be used at the same time. If all used at the same time, it will not work properly. Second, light strip, always on when playing sound. Work with magnetic sensor or button sensor or light sensor. Magnetic sensor function. First, plug in the magnet sensor to the magnet connector port. Second, turn on the module switch. Third, the magnet leaves the magnetic board to play and stops when it is close to the magnetic board. Button function. 1.1. Plug in the button to the button connector port. Light strip, always on when playing sound. With magnetic sensor or button sensor or light sensor. Second, turn on the module switch and play. Light sensor. 1.1. Plug in the light sensor to the light connector port, and then put it into the dark gift box. Second, turn on the module switch. Third, when it senses light, it plays sound. There are a lot of functions on the voice module. For details, you can check the manual that comes with it, and you need to pay attention to each port when you use it in order to function and work. Thanks for watching. DIY downloadable music module. Magnetic sensor. Button. Light sensor. Light strip. USB Type-C cable. Cable can be changed and connected to a computer to change audio. When replacing the audio, the switch must be in the ON position.
Sound module can be downloaded to the audio with USB Type-C cable. Turn on the switch. Then connect it to the computer with USB Type-C cable. Eject hard drive. Open the hard drive. Play default audio. Delete the default audio file. Adding a new audio file. Play newly added megapixel 3 audio files. Recording folder. Adjust volume and playback mode. It is used to set the 9 playback mode. Check the manual for details. Thank you for watching.